What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Triplezon. Today we are looking at the best RC planes for kids. If you have a little aviation fan at home who dreams of flying high in the sky, you are going to love this amazing aircraft we are checking out today. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let me introduce you to the Gravity Gliders Su-27 RC plane. This incredibly cool toy brings the thrill of aviation directly into the hands of young enthusiasts. It is beautifully inspired by the legendary Su-27 fighter jet. The Gravity Gliders Su-27 RC plane captures the aerodynamic beauty of its real-life counterpart while being fully adapted to be easy and safe for beginner pilots. One of the biggest worries when kids fly remote control planes is the fear of crashing. The Gravity Gliders Su-27 RC plane solves this problem because it is constructed from high-quality EPP foam. This special material is lightweight and highly durable. It easily withstands the typical bumps and tumbles that happen during outdoor play, ensuring the aircraft stays safe for kids. Getting this plane into the air is simple and highly enjoyable. The Gravity Gliders Su-27 RC plane features two different takeoff methods, giving young pilots the choice to launch it the way they find easiest. Once it is in the air, beginners will feel like instant pros thanks to the built-in automatic flight stabilization system. This amazing feature uses a smart gyroscope to monitor and correct the balance of the aircraft. It does all the hard work to keep flight steady and precise, so your child does not have to struggle. Controlling the Gravity Gliders Su-27 RC plane is also a breeze. It uses a beginner-friendly 2-channel control setup powered by a reliable 2.4 GHz radio system. The 2.4 GHz frequency ensures a strong connection between the remote and the plane. It allows smooth movement in 4 directions, including up, down, left, and right. This gives young pilots a realistic flight experience. Plus, it has an impressive route distance of up to 150 meters. That gives you an incredible amount of space to fly high and wide across parks. The fun does not stop when the sun starts to go down. The Gravity Gliders Su-27 RC plane comes equipped with a beautifully bright and colorful LED light bar. This creates stunning visual effects for nighttime or early evening flights. It looks just like a glowing spaceship zooming across the dark sky, adding a new layer of excitement. Powering these amazing flights are two included rechargeable 3.7 volts 250 mAh lithium batteries. Having 2 batteries is a huge bonus because it extends your overall playtime. A full charge takes about 50 minutes, giving you roughly 15 minutes of dynamic flying time per battery. That is plenty of time to master new maneuvers. For the absolute best experience, it is recommended to fly in open areas with mild weather conditions. When taking off, starting with a throttle of around 30 to 40% is the perfect way to maintain a smooth and controlled flight. Parents will be happy to know that assembling the Gravity Gliders Su-27 RC plane is wonderfully quick and easy. Before your very first flight, all you have to do is attach the battery, snap on the wheels, and secure the tail. In just a couple of minutes, this beautiful aircraft is ready to take to the skies. Are you ready to give the gift of flight to your favorite young aviator? Check the price link in the description to grab this awesome plane today. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to Triplezon. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you soon.